Hi guys, and welcome to another mailbag time with Drone Mesh. So today, yesterday, I got a bunch of new packages. Right before I went flying, the giveaway frame. There's also another giveaway frame coming. Well, a build actually that's coming. It's that $123 budget quadcopter. I flew it yesterday. Still tuning it. I'll have a video up soon and announcing the winners on that as well. So let's begin with some of the things that are going to be expected to be tested on the channel, and let's take a look at what we have. So I don't even know what we have, to be honest. I just woke up right now. All right, so let's get started. So here, yeah, this one. Remember a while ago we were doing that Banggood window shopping, and I saw this little, 1S. It's basically a F3 all-in-one flight controller for 1S brushless quadcopters. So basically what this is pretty insane. It's a tiny Whoop style all-in-one flight controllers with brushless ESCs built in. It's an F3 processor, and it has a FlySky receiver. I don't know if it comes in an FrSky, but this is pretty insane. I don't remember if it has OSD. If it does, that's just going to be awesome. So we're going to be doing something with this. I'm going to go ahead and purchase some 1mm carbon fiber, and maybe we're going to design our own little 1S. It'll be pretty sweet, pretty awesome. I do have some like 07, 03 motors that I never used, and I really want to use them, and this is going to go perfect with this. So this is pretty cool. I'll leave a link to everything down below, so if you wanted to check anything out. ESCs, we're going to be testing. There's more ESCs coming, but currently I just received 3 ESCs. I got these new Gem Fan ESCs right here. So these seem to be pretty cool, I guess. I haven't really looked at them just yet, to be honest. It does seem like it has pretty good filtration, to be honest. And you know what they remind me of? They remind me of those good, cheap $20 Sunny Sky ESCs here. I'm looking at it here. Does it have telemetry? Yeah, it has telemetry. So, well, I mean, it has a telemetry pad. So these are going to be pretty interesting. They seem to have, they have good filtration. I don't remember how much they cost, but it takes 2 to 6S LiPo. They're BLHeli32. They're using a 32-bit microcontroller unit. So, don't know. We'll figure it out soon. I'll start testing these tomorrow, I think. And we also got these ESCs. These are Little B. Now, I hate Little B ESCs because they're crap, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to pick some up to test. So these are their newest, well, some of their newest ones. I forgot which ones, actually. I'll leave them linked down below if you wanted to check them out. They seem good. They seem better than their older versions. They seem like they have more filtration on them. And I think that's why I got a couple. And these are like no-name BLHeli32 ESCs. I have no idea what the heck these are. I just saw that post and I just picked it up. I think they were cheap. That's why I got them. So we'll be testing these. They come in the same fashion as Airbot. I mean, an iFlight, you know, how they just give you the wires and the thing. It's a lot cheaper to keep. It keeps costs down that way. And sometimes I like it like this. It makes it more easier to work with, depending. Not everyone has the same setup, so, you know, depending. So I got 4 of these. We'll probably build them. But we will test them, that's for sure. Motors. I got the new sick Brother Hobby R6 motors for testing. I forgot which KV. I think the 2400, KV here. So they look pretty insane, actually. Look at this. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice. I took it out yesterday just to take a look at it. And it's just, look at that. I don't know how the camera's going to do it justice here. But that's just, it just looks very nice and girly. Yeah. It's nice. I mean, it's nice if you're a girl. But I mean, if they're good motors, who gives a shit, right? So, yeah. It's like, you know, it feels like you'd have like spinners on your quad. I don't know if anyone remembers spinners when it was popular back then. That was pretty funny. So here's some Brother Hobby Avengers. These are 1507 2800 kV. These, I'm planning on some kind of a 3S 4S build with these. So this is going to be pretty interesting. I think a 4S build with this. So that'll be pretty fun. Or yeah, we'll come back into that later on. So that should be pretty cool. So motors, I also picked up some more T-Motor, and I still have more T-Motor on the way. These are the T-Motor F40 Pro version 2. They are the 2400 kV. I have the 2600 kV. Yeah, no, the 1600 kV. And this is the 2400 kV. And I have the 2600 kV on the way. So I really like T-Motor is killing it lately with their motors. Every single motor, the recent ones that they have released that I got, are just on my favorite quads. They are just insanely torquey. Like, you just go to the moon and it's just insane. So AKK provide me with their newest VTXs, 2 tiny ones. Or I think, no, it's the same one. Oh, that's awesome. So they gave me 2 because they said they were gonna send me. I said, if you could send me 2, that'd be awesome, so I could give some to do some to the giveaway. I mean, make a giveaway, that's what I mean. However, I'm gonna give away both of them. So yeah, 1 to Patreon, 1 for YouTube. There you go, guys. What else do we have here? Yeah, we got a couple more frames. We got this frame here. So this is the SFB ZX220, and we also got this one. I don't remember what the hell this one was, but yeah, I'll leave a link down below. I'll know from the tracking number. And what else do we got? Oh yeah, a 3BB frame. I've been eyeballing this frame for the longest time. This is a 5-inch frame. It's pretty damn sick. It looks awesome, and look how small this box that it comes in. It's pretty cool. It looks cool. I mean, that's all I could really say. But I might build this because it looks so sexy. So I have no idea just yet. Yes, this thing is what I was talking about the other day, if you guys have been watching. Check this out. This is a complete kit for $70. Okay, what do you get for 70 bucks? You get 2306 motors. Okay, now you might say, why do they look like that? Well, they have this proprietary system. I don't know if you could also switch it out to a regular system, which, you know, you could just clip your propellers on. I still don't understand the system. I'll do a whole review on it once I do a little bit more research and see the stuff. I haven't even opened it yet. I just looked at the motors here, so I really don't know what it comes with. And then not only does it come with the motors, it comes with the propellers, and it also comes with 32-bit ESCs, and they seem to be from Airbot, by the way. Look, they have these fat caps here. These might be pretty good for 70 bucks. This might be pretty good, actually. Like, literally $70. That's just insane. $70. You get a $25 frame. You're still around 150 bucks for a full frame. Anyways, we'll see how good these are. I have no idea, but it's a nice little set. We'll see how it performs. I'll test the ESCs and the motors on the thrust stand, and then we also do real world testing. However, you know, those videos take quite a bit of time, but good news, the weather is clearing up, so I'm flying more often. So I'm going to be maidening all the quals that I've never flown before. To be honest, this one I was the most excited about, and it just arrived. It's the DYS Shark. I think it's a 100mm wheelbase quadcopter. It's pretty insane, actually. So check this out. That's just awesome. So it does come with some spare props. I got the one with the controller because I want to keep this in my car, because I want to fly. So I flew it yesterday, but the battery was dead when I flew it. I still haven't charged the battery for this guy, but it's just it was good. It was very stable compared to other brushed micros that I've flown. You can fly it in the shop, but you know, not acro. I mean, depending on how much room you have, but overall this thing is awesome. So this is rechargeable here, and it just feels very nice quality, actually. The gimbals feel really good, really nice. I love that notch right there. I think FR Sky made this for them, by the way, because it's kind of mimicking their newest design in a way. But it's a very nice controller. I did fly with it. I really like it, to be honest. I don't know if it'll take more than one model. We'll figure it out soon. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This thing is heavy. They're stating it's light, but the plastic on here is very strong. They're not using that cheap plastic. It's very strong plastic. These have a little flex, but they're still pretty strong. Stronger than other ones that I've seen before. It has nice landing pads, so you know you're not going to be like this when you put your battery in. And it does take XT30, and it comes with one battery. It's a 3S, I think 500 or 600. Let's see, 600. It's a 3S 600 milliamp. How many C? 25 C. So overall, it's pretty good. They're using the DYS, you know, their old motors. I think they just had a lot in stock, and like, hey, let's just create a little micro to kind of finish up those motors that we have in stock, because there's so many other new ones now. So they are using their older BR1104 5400 kV. I do have some of these. I've built with these motors before. They're pretty good. I don't really remember much because I broke it right away. So yeah. But this one, we'll see how it flies. I'll take it out and then we'll fly it indoors. But indoors, it's really, I'm just confined in a very it's okay room, but I mean it's just one box room, so there's nothing I could really do. And I don't want to land in the water because I have the CNC machine, like carbon fiber. I mill it underwater, and I don't want to land underwater and just ruin it before I take it out. So this thing is pretty cool. I'll leave a link to it down below. There's two versions. This is the more expensive one with the controller. There's another one which is 150 bucks. So we'll see how good this is, and it'll be pretty interesting. It looks pretty sick. It looks badass. And then you have your LEDs here. They have it set to change colors on your throttle levels. They do give you USB, and it does come with a camera. And we'll take a full look at this later on. So let's just put this back here. Now there's another thing that I was also talking about, which is the titanium toolkit, that I couldn't find the other day, but it finally arrived. This beast right here is pretty awesome. Comes with this casing thing, so it's called I don't want to read that name. So look at this. This is just sick. Look at that. You get your hex, your normal hex. You get even flatheads and Phillips screwdrivers, and this for your motors. This all supposed to be titanium. And then you even get more stuff down here. You get scissors. You get this whole marker puncher thingy. You get these obviously are not titanium. You get little, these. They seem to be good quality. I haven't tested them just yet, so I'll have an update video on these later on. And then what is this here? So let's just take a look here. Oh. So yeah, wow, that's pretty sharp actually. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. It's pretty cool. It's a nice little kit, and I think this is magnetic. The bottom is magnetic here, so when you're working, just throw them in there and they just get stuck. So if you drop this, in theory, I think it shouldn't spill. I think if I remember correctly. I'll leave a link to this down below, so you go ahead and check it out. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of testing in the upcoming days, and I'm gonna be redoing the low KV testing just to double check the data if it's correct or not. I'm gonna recalibrate everything. And then finish up that video. And what else do we have? And yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a lot of ESC testing, motor testing, and we're gonna do some more builds now. And the weather is clearing up. It's gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna be doing a lot of even real world ESC testing. I can't wait to get that done. And we have to build the Tico 3241 ESC. I haven't even built that one just yet. So that's a must. That's on the to-do list. I think oh yes, with these motors, yeah. So it's going to be Kakute V2 all-in-one flight controller, Tico 32 ESCs. These for frame, I have no idea just yet. Maybe that new BB3B whatever BBB frame that we just got right now. I don't know. We'll see how we put it together and take a look at it. If I really like it and I see it's going to be nice in the field, I'll set that up with these, and we should have a monster. And well, that's it guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider joining my Patreon. It'll help support keep this channel running. And I do awesome giveaways on Patreon every month. I do up 2 to 3 to 4 giveaways, just depending. Sometimes just random. I'll give something extra away. And yeah, and your chances of winning are very awesome because I don't really have much Patreons. And yeah, and you could also use the affiliate links down below. Those greatly support channel, keep the channel running. And that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.